Hello, hi. I look like pure shite at the moment, so what I'm going to do today is a bit of self-care. I'm going to sort my hair out, I'm going to sort my skin out. I've already painted my nails, so that's the start. But yeah, basically I've just been feeling a bit poopy today, so I thought I'd show you my skincare routine and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to start the video off like this. I'm just being real with you. This is what I look like right now. My skin is not doing the best, so I'm going to show you like what I do when my skin is like this, when I just want to really not attack it, but aggressively sort it out, you know. So yeah, if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. Hopefully I'll look a little bit, let's just zoom you out a bit, hopefully I'll look a bit better at the end of the video. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So yeah, I'm going to go shower now, and then I'll be back. Yeah, I'll be back to do my skincare routine now. Okay, hello. Honestly, if you're feeling sad, I'm telling you now, if you're watching this and you're like, I'm really upset, I'm depressed, I cannot be bothered to do anything, right, put a song on like that, with that kind of like 2009, 2010 era, around there, put a playlist on like that, and go have a shower or something. Like, having a shower just kind of refreshes my brain, because I was just feeling like shit all day. I didn't want to do anything. I had a few videos I was going to edit, but I just couldn't bring myself to do it. I was supposed to tidy my room, but I didn't do that either. So yeah, I'm doing one productive thing, filming this video. Enough of that rant. Hello, I've showered. I know, big shot. I washed my hair, obviously I showered. I've just brushed it, so it's quite long now actually. Wow. I don't know if you've noticed also, I've like redone these little bits, just kind of redone the roots. Don't comment on it, don't say anything. It looks better when it's all styled. And that's what I'm going to say on that. Okay. Something I want to talk about first is, right, this isn't sponsored, so I sound like such an influencer, but she did very kindly give me some of her products so that I would, you know, like promote them a little bit. So the brand is Be Flawless by Cera. Now Cera is someone I work with and she's lovely. And look at this, she's got like her own, oh that's upside down, her own packaging and everything. There you go, I don't know if you can see there. But this is her lip gloss packaging. So it says Feel Flawless on the side and Be Flawless, which is cute. Got the ingredients on it. So that's the lip gloss. We've also got a lip scrub. Ooh, ooh. So this is her lip scrub. And this is the chocolate one. It smells quite nice, it's quite sweet. And it's a sugar scrub, this is. So I'm going to test this out now. And then also, I actually bought this one. This is the coconut lip balm. I think she also does a strawberry one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, look how cute they are. Right, I'll link her website in the description, but it's just beflawlessbycera.com. If you want to shop some of her products, she does a few other bits, like a makeup brush, makeup remover pads, like the reusable ones, and this facial oil, I think, fancy one. Oh god, kicking my light all over the place. And they're all vegan, cruelty free, so yeah. Right, so I'm going to use this lip scrub now. I'm not going to film it because nobody wants to see me going, actually, I guess I could. I'll probably make a mess, but it's fine. Actually tastes alright. There we are, my lips feel really nice and soft now. I'm going to use a bit of a lip balm. It's lovely. It's nice to leave this on overnight because it's really like I don't know how to describe it. Oily, but in a good way. Moving on, what I do if my skin is looking bad and sort of a bit clogged and blackheady, if that's a word, I will use this. I think it's been in a bit of controversy at the minute for some reason, but this is the Ordinary AHA and BHA peeling solution. I think we all know what this is by now. It's the one that looks like blood. I really like this. I've been using this for about a year now, just over a year, and I think it's genuinely made a difference in the surface of my skin. Like, because I have quite a few pot marks, scars, whatever you want to call them, and I honestly think this has improved the like surface layer of my skin, because it basically dissolves all the dead skin and helps your skin rejuvenate itself, that sort of thing. So yeah, I really like this, and it's really cheap. Revolution do a version of it, which is basically the same thing. Revolution have a habit of just copying other brands that are popular. But yeah, I've used this a few times. It doesn't feel exactly the same. It is a bit thinner, but it does make my skin feel really smooth after as well, so it's essentially the same thing. But I'm going to use this one today, and I know some people are a bit scared to use it because it can tingle a bit, makes your skin a bit itchy, but I mean, look at my skin, right? I survive. I find it's fine. As long as you use it properly, don't apply too much, leave it on for no longer than 10 minutes. Then you'll be fine, and just make sure you rinse it off, don't leave it on overnight. People have done so many silly things with this. I should really be using a mirror for this. You just want to be careful if you're going to go out in the sun, because this makes your skin more susceptible, what's the word? Something like that. More prone to sun damage. I don't know if anyone else has these tiny little, like your nose feels a bit rough, I don't know how to describe it, like there's tiny dots on it. This gets rid of them. I've never had another product that can do that. Okay, so that's all on my face now. I will be back in 10 minutes just to give you an update, and then I'll rinse it off. I'll see you then. Okay, so it's all rinsed off now, and my skin is feeling so much softer and just clean, you know. There's no more bumps on my nose, it's completely smooth. I just realised I forgot to show you the lip gloss, so this is what it looks like. Got a Be Flawless by Cera logo on it, and I think it looks really nice. This is the chocolate one, so it's like a brownie nude, because that's all I ever go for. It honestly just feels like a lip oil. There's no stickiness at all. So I would recommend you go into a website, have a little look. The prices are really good as well. I think the lip balm is £3 or 2 for £5. I might be wrong, but it's around that. Yeah, so they're around that price range, and I'm going to carry on with my skincare now. So what I am going to do next is a toner. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA. It's another BHA, so I probably shouldn't be using this as well as that first one, but like I said, I'm aggressively sorting my skin out. Yeah, this is the toner. Look at the packaging on this. So nice. It's a glass bottle. Yeah, this is the miniature version. There is a bigger version, but I just wanted to try them out. So. And it came in like a pack of 4, so I had the moisturiser, the lip balm, the toner, and this sleeping mask, which I will tell you about later. So I just kind of pour it into my hand and then just rub it in. And I find this has really helped with the surface of my skin as well, and like tightening pores, well, at least giving the appearance of tightened pores, because it can't physically shrink them. I just find this helps my face feel so much more healthy, soft, like kind of does that. I hope any of this makes sense. And it also smells like watermelon, so now I'm going to use this. This is the Revolution Skincare Dark Spot Corrector. I'm pretty sure it's like a vitamin C kind of serum. It just helps to brighten your skin, as it suggests by Dark Spot Corrector. And I just kind of use this for my scars, because obviously I've got quite a few, you know. I'm used to it at this point, but... and it's very liquidy, this is, so you have to be careful. And it does have a bit of a strange smell, it kind of smells like meat, which is, I think the vitamin C just has that smell. I don't really care what it smells like as long as it works. I drip that into my mouth. Oh dear, I'm not supposed to eat it. Okay, I wouldn't recommend doing that. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of eye cream for a little something nice, you know. This is a CeraVe Eye Repair Cream with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Basically just like plumping and helps prevent wrinkles, I think, or restore your skin kind of thing. Either way, I like it. The next step is this acne treatment. I do still use this. This isn't sponsored, but I did work with them on a video. The Smackney acne treatment. The main like active ingredient is benzoyl peroxide, and I just find that works like really well for me personally. It does dry my skin a little bit, but I don't mind that because it works really well at just calming down spots, and it'll turn them from like a lump into just like a little red dot, you know. For the last step, I'm going to use this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Glowing radiance and smoothing. It's beautiful. If you want the most moisturised skin you've ever had, you want to wake up and you still feel like you've got you can still feel the moisturiser on your skin, this. I would purchase a full size of this, even though it's expensive. It's worth it. It's got such a strange, like, almost jelly-like consistency, and it smells like you're actually putting watermelon juice on your face. It's not sticky at all, it absorbs really well. So that is it. That's it. That's my skincare routine. When I'm really trying to sort my skin out, that's what I'll do. And by the morning now, my skin will look a lot more like calmed down, shall we say, because right now it looks a bit irritated. But yeah, there we go. It's my skincare routine for acne prone skin. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're doing okay, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!